It's MC Monty in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monty. This month's theme, turning my crew into the X-Men. Yeah. In this vlog style video, I show you how I worked with my friend Ebony to turn Ebony into Storm. I was really happy with how Storm turned out, and it was not too complicated at all. We created the Storm look in one day using patterns and techniques that we both already knew how to do. Ebony brought over her sewing machine and we tag teamed to get everything sewn and all wrapped up in one session. And at the end of this video, you will see a sneak peek of Ebony as Storm, and you will get to see how cool she looked when we were recording and shooting for the X-Men dance short film that's coming up. All right, we're gonna get right into this vlog. Let's do it. I used the leotard pattern for the top of this cosplay, and I traced that onto white cotton knit fabric that has a good amount of stretch to it, and Ebony cut everything out.
He's a real deal.
I love those scissors. Heavy duty, so yes. Good.
And they're like so awesome.
I used the gold ribbon for Storm's belt detail and all the detailing that goes on the Storm costume. Here you can see me measuring how much we need and pinning it into place while the top is draped over Ebony. And while Ebony began sewing for the top, I made a pattern for the shoulder and I cut it out of white marine vinyl. Then I used the legging pattern for the bottoms. And when I was done cutting that out, I joined Ebony at the sewing machine. We got to work sewing everything, and after the top was complete and the bottoms were complete, I figured out a pattern for the cape and how to attach it to Ebony's wrist. We got some Storm costumes coming along. Look at that Storm coming along. Okay, about to do a test fit, make sure this is tight, but no pun intended. We got some tights and a Storm leotard. This is gonna be great. We still gotta add the sleeves and close up the leotard. But look at that shoulder armor. Ooh, ooh. All right, it's a video. Look at Storm. Oh my goodness. This is going to look amazing on stage.
This is cool.
Control the weather, Storm. Yeah. And you can move good. It's all good.
Yes.
Whacking is good. Yeah. For sure. As long as you have freedom of movement. Mm-hmm. Ebony, you look so dope. Oh my God. Hey. Nice.
It's really good.
Storm. We have a Storm.
We do.
I loved how good Storm came out, so much so that I played with photos of Ebony as Storm and put some effects on the photos. And there you have it. We put together Storm in one day of work, tag teaming this project and sewing together. It was pretty fun to hang out with Ebony and sew with Ebony for the Storm project. And today, as I record this video, is Ebony's birthday. So I'm giving a shout out to Ebony. Happy birthday, Ebony, one of my lifelong friends. I wish you happy birthday. I wish you all the best. And you look amazing as Storm. I can't wait for you all to see our complete dance film, our complete cosplay dance film. Here's a sneak peek of Ebony as Storm. Check it out. All right. That's all you get. But be sure to stay tuned and follow along for more adventures. The next video that's dropping is the complete video of us in X-Men cosplay dancing. So be sure to stay tuned for that. Remember, if you're enjoying my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. Hit that thumbs up, give me that like button. Always remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore, and I'll see you next time. Peace.